Hey everyone, so as promised, here's a tour of our 2-bedroom pool villa at the beautiful Mandarin Oriental in Marrakech. And as you enter the villa, you are greeted by a central courtyard which has its own heated pool and a jacuzzi. And on the right over here, you've got a dining area with a mini kitchen. It also has a pantry actually. This is my favorite spot though. It's the lounge with an open fireplace, and every night we'll sit there by the fire. It used to be so nice and warm. Here you've got 2 sunbeds by the pool, which is again great for catching some rays, especially in the afternoon. You get like the best sleep ever. So we are now entering the living room area, which as you can see is a very generous size. The living room is connected to the master bedroom, and this is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom also comes with a TV bed, and it is a smart TV. My dad was just so chuffed because he could watch his news all day long. My mother, on the other hand, wasn't very impressed. The doors open up to a plunge pool, which you can dip your feet in every morning. That's, it's quite nice. This is the master bathroom. I mean, look at the size of that tub. It's insane. The bathroom also comes with its own hammam room, which is pretty incredible, may I just say. We are now entering the second bedroom, which as you can see has 2 beds. It also comes with its own ensuite shower room, and as expected, it is a nice and comfortable size. What I quite liked about this particular villa is that the second bedroom also comes with its own walk-in wardrobe area, which for me is always a bonus because I love spacious rooms and, a separate area to keep your luggage in. It just makes you feel at home. The glass doors to the second room open to the heated jacuzzi, and guys, I kid you not, this for me was the biggest highlight of the villa. Having your own jacuzzi and just sitting there doing nothing, not worrying about anything. Oh my god, it was bliss. Here is another spot for just lounging or even reading a book. It also makes a great Instagram spot, I have to say. You can get some really nice shots here. In fact, I think every corner of the villa is a hot Instagram spot. So here it was, guys, the tour of our villa at the beautiful Mandarin Oriental in Marrakech. I hope you enjoyed it.